Hi everyone! I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. Get your choppers ready. I'm going to say each sound. You're going to repeat it, and then together we're going to blend the word. Here we go. R, I, b. Rib. D, I, g. Dig. F, I, x. Fix. K, I, d. Kid. L, I, t. Lit. R, I, d. Rid. W, I, n. Win. Z, I, p. Zip. F, I, l. Fill. Good. Let's roller coaster some words. Remember, quiet first sound, loud vowel, middle vowel sound, quiet last sound. The word is pill. Ill. The word is lip. Lip. The word is pin. In. The word is fib. Ib. The word is hid. Id. The word is mit. It. The word is rip. Ip. The word is fix. Ix. The word is hiss. Is. And the last word is gym. Im. Good. All right, let's segment some words. So I'm going to say the word, you're going to repeat the word, and then we are going to isolate and segment each phoneme or each sound in the word. The word is fill. F, I, l. The word is zip. Z, I, p. The word is win. W, I, n. The word is rid. R, I, d. The word is lit. L, I, t. The word is kid. K, I, d. The word is fix. F, I, x. The word is dig. D, I, g. The word is rib. R, ib. Good job. All right, get your fists ready. We're going to do some phoneme substitution. So we'll say a word, and then we'll change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is dig. Change d to b. Big. The word is sit. Change s to f. Fit. The word is lid. Change l to k. Kid. The word is dip. Change d to r. Rip. The word is fill. Change f to w. Will. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending rhyme part of the word, and we'll add a beginning sound to make a new word. The word is add. Add to the beginning. Mad. The word is ick. Add p to the beginning. Pick. The word is an. Add f to the beginning. fan. The word is ill. Add to the beginning. Pill. The word is app. Add n to the beginning. Nap. Good. Last exercise, we're going to delete letter sounds. So we'll say the word and then we'll delete the beginning sound and see what we're left with. The word is him without the word is im. The word is lid without ul. The word is id. The word is sad without s. The word is add. The word is wax without w. The word is axe. The word is mix without m. The word is ix. Awesome job. Don't forget to practice your poem today.